me and my papa every month. We started school Kumasi.
Obi a who apere no. Then I go start school Kumasi.
Say no your brush as me mama and papa were 10.
That was right. Okay, now
it was right. 7th month. I was sent to my auntie in Kumasi. Na me cotton in China. It was a help.
Wow.
I was you, but na Mrs. Amrini na nyame enemy or me beye. And me share near day said ye obebra ye juma cause me auntie and mommy kusa. Give me your family school fees grana all mommy. Obema maton de tini a ton apino so. Na me feel say oh yeah me but mini na me who say
it's all for your good.
My secondary school.
Now quiet.
School, so I was wedded at the age of 23.
Who are you at the age of 23?
Yes.
I was married like.
It wasn't that good because them man knew any channel, like the worry and on or share say I your wedding. When I many be I got some but man share on the shuffle straight. It do baby now for any bring me a piece of me a Latin into my cogia drew no more booming enemy watch a dear after the Mikos. No, my your bay and free her. You look cool. When I did one of that micron down upon a man, yes, sir. Graduate. In your butchery, dear Meko. I say, okay, I saw I'm so better. And you had to put her for a 7 hour number.
Oh, one pie, yeah.
Mitchell company. But not so for me. About my store, I catch him say, oh, was I mean about Kusi for Akusi? Plain up. It's a passport to Kurami.
I expose GH who frame me Ben Bruce and Major so. And then no baby interview by 3 in 1 po. And then yeah mommy, you ba yeah downful. A woman who God has blessed so much. I see you any birthday. By next person me who na brabo mu. And I someone in school. Ayo no adia. Enti wa who say asem no e can say. Main channel. Me pacho. Mami am den beka say friend Juliet Anima Gyansah. Madam Juliet Anima Gyansah. On the CEO of Future Ambassador Montessori. I will wager. New Botiano top all. Then person me who America flag. Who the woman Madam Juliet is. The journey into life. Baby I would do. And even challenges in her life so that what would hear me no. Once wait me for a baby woman now waiting there for baby. Ma akwaba.
Yeah,
maybe bibi awoko there.
Erade adom.
Etie for bache na ye ma me the birthday. Mo share your screen so a your post birthday be enra. Me say this is the woman that we are celebrating because we are say you say your food you are pan on your piano. Enti me say tie for birthday na birthday no ya ba ase. Ya ba numbi. E dia ba be kasa. You can say Mommy Juliet. I want Mommy Juliet. Mommy Juliet.
Oh baby, Ofi Equiapim.
Oh, me and me kuro. Miss me Equiapim ni o. Me fi man fe.
Oh, okay. Na.
Ofi be.
Yeah. If we Equiapim me ready.
Okay.
Na. Me who said me fi asia kan.
Okay, yem bisa ya wo wan.
Ya wo me wo Ghana ha. Equiapim.
Ya wo Equiapim. Okay, na mama papa o mata.
Mama and me papa Efrimu.
Okay. Okay. Now our siblings are?
Yeah, 6.
6.
Sir.
Okay. Now starting school when?
Me starting school Kumasi.
Oh, obi a wo apere no. Where na go starting school Kumasi?
Say no ni obrasha se no.
Person be tieri gina.
Yeah,
I want
now
to.
You have a long
I want to.
Me come a life story.
Yeah.
It's I don't know how to put it, but
somebody wants to hear.
God has
blessed,
done more than enough.
I can see.
I was a child like my granddaughter.
Okay.
At the age of 10.
Okay.
My parents don't have money.
Okay.
By then, things went sour.
Okay.
In life, sometimes.
How many?
That time we were 10.
10?
Yeah. Me, my mom and papa were 10.
That was right. Okay, now
I'm the 7th born.
7th is a
and
blessed
my father,
number.
I know.
I'm also a 7th born.
Oh, see? So, I was sent to my auntie in Kumasi. Na me kotena ne nchen no, it was a help.
Really?
The whole I'm dishing ade.
Health is a sense. Someone to tell you, I can say treat you like
Debbie. I was totally housemaid.
wow.
I was used. But na MSS I'm reading na nyame enime ode me beye ochela. So I na me kusunya ene ode.
The one I started school.
I'm starting school. Amankwetia.
Amankwetia. Na we fa kuma say.
Amankwetia it was
Stadium Road no.
Yes.
Bantama.
Debbie. Ufra mekom oforukrom. Na ukọ ye ho ya sokwa area.
Okay.
Stadium.
Oh, stadium.
Yes.
Me kai na me kwa na me da Stadium Hotel. Yeah.
Okay. School.
But you a Kumasi woman.
Yes.
Kumasi girl.
Kumasi girl pa.
Okay. Into what started school or?
Yeah.
Okay.
From class 4 or 5.
Oh, okay.
So same UA school Kumasi. And mission ye dene said ye obebra ye juma because me auntie and mommy humsa.
Okay.
Even your primary school fees crana on mommy.
Really?
Obema maton de tini a ton a pino soup. And all
I don't say that here.
A pino soup no is like company be to
okay.
Na ni a ton near the be abomodea de atua ye school fees near. Na me feel say oh yeah me but me na me hu say
it's all for your good.
Oboami. Yeah, so that is the first phase.
Okay. So if we call secondary school so Kumasi I want you to.
Manko secondary school.
Now coin.
Me school sa 7 pay.
But where I see you. Our school. But as some no can meet us here. Also we san 7.
Me sa 7.
Our school now boarding now.
I'm going to yeah. 1983.
Oh, that common by.
Yes.
That time that we
school.
Wow.
Yeah.
I work Kumasi.
Yes.
Into we no na oko train college and
why? Me we na me bank crying. Me ba me papa ho.
Na papa akra.
Na papa wo ekuapem. Into no me ba back. E ho na me best struggle life. Into no me kotina tema kakra.
Na ye de otema.
Tema na me ton ade.
Wan che na akota.
Me na me started say me kotina me se wa ho committee 5.
What's one ba ko no nya no sa akota ba.
Aba ko oro so so ta.
Wow. What do you know?
Na enumo no na abrabo no eye bibio na me wo me ba no.
Oh my.
Baako.
Boy. Oh why?
Oh America.
Because me do her beautiful girl say, "Oh, hey, come over. You come. Come. That is ne granny, ne granddaughter. You know, beautiful child.
They are 2.
What's your name?
My name is Adelaide.
Adelaide. Wow, beautiful girl, beautiful. Auntie, and the granny.
Yeah.
Oh, Banaba, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Auntie, yeah, kwaso.
Right. So
now turn the wo tema. Now turn them.
Na ye kwa Fose. Me kwa fa. Yeah, me try Fose. Ye started to Fose and kakra. It's anyone I'm dealing one ja me be. And Yama was not that good. Okay. I don't want to tell you everything.
I want to know. That you see. So when you tell somebody your struggle, and will be in your hope,
sir.
So I want to know.
Yeah, because it's a testimony, and I think say ebeboa obi a wuti say onnemwa or fasa braboni mo a na we hu say ye wonyame bi a o time nuru ya empre wo.
Sure.
Say den a o time beba.
Sure.
So what you say? So temano eba sa no menene mo a ye to Fose na makoye adwuma wo bi restaurant. Na me serve as a server ho, as a waiter.
Okay, waiter. Okay.
80 committee 1. That was 83, 84, 5, 6, 7.
80 is near the
wall. And we be share me hookah for.
Okay.
And I'm worried. Okay. So I was wedded at the age of 23.
Who are you at the age of 23?
Yes.
How's married life?
Wasn't that good because that man when you tell me
Oh, okay.
But it's okay. I don't want to talk about
but
it.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, you know, you didn't want
to.
one.
Okay, who before we share no. Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
So after marriage, now me movie bra Accra no. Maybe 12 Fose ton so.
Now
me kunja you worry you know. Obi a my wedding.
Yeah.
Pentecost Sakamaha.
Oh, now Pentecost.
Oh yeah. And pai boy na dey every day.
Okay.
Into no. You know, like you worry you know na. Or share say your wedding. People na many be and go back some me. Nyeda. But man share. I'm a swaffle squatching.
Oh, the question.
The question I will dance on my slit.
Self flat.
Aye, near to Sakama.
Wow.
Chino kakra krasa, medin kakra na pai boka ho. So we radia to me ade na ya. See, kakra kra na mko pay kanishi overhead na say. Dodo na ni me. I want na me Fose.
Okay.
Me da overhead na say more than 2-4 years.
Now what that overhead na say?
Me now as a obi a me homeless. No,
that's why
you na me ye adwuma.
Ade no.
Me fifia hen mache na makọ na makọ Fose.
Boy challenges ni bi ho. Say na hote.
Easy. Binum no be ko because adwuma bia no. On say me na Kumasi na yetete me na ye kire made ntino. Minimum de ton. And open say adwuma koso you have to have a strategy. I'll be to the adwuma. Sure. It will be kofa be back no betwa no yi ne mako a. Me twa me bo me selection wi a. The second day me bo wi a, the third day don't come that so.
Oh, okay. O ton na nya sika.
Ai, na mabon don't come me.
Wow.
Na bia be kan na me bom pa ye rado bom na me nya we ya. Kakra sa dem hu yan say na fe me do 20 bills.
So you started selling on the street?
On the street.
And then
yeah. Auntie, edu baby no na fo no ni breme ebi sem ye latin nti makoji eduro no mo bo me ni ene me bo atwede afa de mi kunsi no ma yi obey free ha ye be kun so many eden eti ene atwede ni ye ko connection hono obebre na ni me
really
eno ntwam ena mi kunya asasi bi wo Sakamaha the grafter say kwa me aso ewa ena me koji ena me dey provision store.
So from Fose to provision.
Exactly. Me boy scan me nya toto.
Sir, onye we twa ma bramin tobi. O boy scan no.
Scan.
Thank you.
Boy scan. Na me de to ho na kakra me nya no na me kun ni edi. Selective function bi am ko so o premier ni so ni hwen no. Me ya function na yi selection ma to so about the life into who your secrets.
Yeah.
No na didi mo anaja. Me dey provision store e was Sakama. Didi mo kakra na fe de niema no e konanim na fe aware mu sensem and be yeah ti edu baby no na fe me kuno so wona fofo mo ya bogafo ne ade etimi sabroche fo ne ba me na me no nuane mo ni ade afa ni edi mani mu twifom ni me sei timi kwa so am suka kire rade bokwanto baby akwani mam na me so me ko hu abroche bi
omo sugu so sasan se wo do no so esa ko papa
na se onye anybody wo no ya be wale ni tro be dey sana na nyina na nyame ehome dada enti we na didi mo ana da kro mikro danfo me bona mane se braje fi me nya broche bia meko o se akua na se ukno mpre na me se obepre so no ni bi odo be mame but me wo me container emunye manyina metumi dia ma so pa na fa meko miko super
usugo ne so
ai and was say okay open container no because no the fridge is in your maba ti ene obeya ma me no afa ensem de na nya asem keto kakra
boy mu kakra boy mu kakra
mi kun edu ba bi wo so mpre
wow
ene many brave because now I really shed anya desa and then edu ba bi na so jim no ti ase no de me koma papa no tunsa e ma papa no so mfa me na manfa nye akwadwrant nas and the motor for a semi da ho anopa
o bompa ye
anaju me kire kom me bompa ye ko na sofo bi aba me store be ka chem say wa wo se me na ba kusi fom ba kusi plane ano It's a passport to cram me
be.
Na me dey na me we. But na minimade pa. Because school no na minimade. Minimade. As me mama and papa was scan on the share me. And can be an me judge because na me pay.
The law firm. Okay.
Eti upon more treatment na me woman na man fa my disua amfani agro. Na me sua dey. School. Yeah, exams are me try distinction.
Really?
It was school. Yes.
Wow.
It's I have that gift in me, but say be ye be pie. Until say kakra. Erade. E be kwan. E ma me na me de call London.
Oh, to call London. Yeah,
first time me too quite 1999.
First time I now call partner senator.
Madam, no, ma me no be kan dey mix big kan.
Sir.
Na it was fun.
Okay.
Obi am to quite that na just say me quite be like this.
Oh, really?
Man, no connection was hey, akua baby obo mpa yere ho na asa de me ye ma obi a na kote nkruma.
Okay.
Na e quite be ma me.
Enti yen call your first day usifi playing him. What if you or UK?
Plane landed can you collapse so plane because
oh really?
Many switch me no
wow.
Bible da me bossa.
Plane me na Bible da bo.
Ba me bompai. Erade me hu bi da. Oh, I na de me kwai. Wow. Na words are powerful. Say all the time no make 83 Nigeria for ne ban said they what on chine I'm catch erade say me dey that chin erade do betu kwa me African country bia o. For me call London, for me call America, for me call her. Na me bubodi, but now I never know. Say will surely come to pass. It's a bear more me call abroach, you know. It's like a magic.
You got na man in China.
Oh, there be abroach and me got na me brother me and China.
Now brother me.
Yes, it's John or Jamie. And my madam for no boy me so me moon on me koi. Koi so eja. To quite now, any papa she and I honor what brabon so exercise, you know. Paper, ma'am, and I'm the boy, many me body and night.
When you pray,
the body and night.
Really?
Catch her at this abruche party, I mean, person. Everyone wants to send me question, I'm in person, and I watch it.
Never saw yeah.
So within 2-3 years, you know, now, Metrumia Seviska.
Okay.
Metrumia Seviska, Naja. Mrs. Sam, and the man, I'm saying, Bagana.
Oh, if you have a job again.
I'm by Mintra. And I'm by.
Okay.
Now, already know.
Yeah, Ben. That was which year?
Me by 2002.
2002?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Me bano. Now me could make the 40-footer container of electrical appliances.
I didn't know.
15,000 pounds.
15,000 pounds. That's a huge money, even now.
Yes. Say acquire nyame faso ye na de no sometimes unye nyame ba wonti ase
yeah
obokwan to be kwani ma ne ma say hra ne ba it say gali photo
yeah
because it's kagari no mo ye mesre onyame de na very powerful
but yes
so ne sachire wo so a
yeah
nyina so be bo abrabo pa na obenya akoma imutie eni adwumutie
okay
eni bibia do nsa be kan be yi
enti wo ba Ghana no or the 40 feet of electricals buy na with some capital
yeah
to buy and then I buy
me buy no me start sa kwan so me bo modern correlate me visa and on the man into me start say me kwan so every 3 months na
now London na ko fani ama
I'm starting
why business woman
starting London to Accra
from Fose
yeah
no you're funny from first now Tony Apino so to Fose and nyame ncha de onya kukudo no catch obi say farm store na farm call UK
yeah
okobae ode nyama bae afedu ba bi na oko Accra London Accra
yeah by then na years back no ya compare ball Pentecost tema come to 5 men kamu sem so for no ehu ye no ya doso o se hin for no person ko abrochi obi ya manisa so na me so mama so bi e bompa ye ni abre so for we say era baby woni panimu boduku different colors me so colors ye doso na me say na nyame ama ne bofo gina me nchen mama abre we bi Osimere a wo ne efrɛ. Na me so mama na nipa bebrebe wo se wo. E what committee 5 tally.
Mama ne ka kire o.
Yeah.
And mama ne obofo.
Sa, e na me call that time no. Na me wona fofo bi. Sa na adwene omutim na enye papa. Ba na me nim.
Na you mean.
Na madam for no e mama sister panyini me mo ne din. Na no mo ne mo ye no. Etil me dem ma fa na say me sister panyini. Ti ara m kosra na ne ade ade. Na owo boutique. Eti na nyame bo kasa hodo na ye no. Eti nipa na oye attendant wo ho no. Otimi kasa.
Also for credit.
Oye kuapem no achiriponi. Eti omo bo me ho po no. Ono ote. Eno ka kire me say ni say na so mesi. A planning.
Wow.
Eti me kura kam de ne to say so abadamo. Me de wo papa me pe kwan to kwan ya. Me e be ya ma me awo de obekeka ni. Say na enye kwan papa. Eti sofo no hu ye no. Eno say e magura. E kwan be da wani manani kine ya. Okwa wo mabio.
Oh really? Akwanto na aba betu no.
Yes.
E kwan na okwa wo mabio.
That was 80 no. Nya worry me kuno.
Okay.
Was say okwa wo mabio. Na mom se obenya otwen amerade a. Umre ne beba. Umre ne ba. Obekọ landing to Accra to say the okotema ne nkai.
Enti se me ntwa wano a na che se wonamfo na nkoma promise say e kwan bi wo ho.
Yeah.
Ba sa kwan na ye nyame akwan. E no ye kwan foforo.
Sa.
Ye nto aso.
So ati ase. Enti abrewa na oka kire me say ye frɛ me no me ba ye no me bu ofuti wo na me bu ofu kronkron no ka kire ne say wo nkom se no boa. Na me so because me bre me person me twa.
Na so for ne ka den che na bufu ya. Oka say twen.
Aye.
Okay.
I'll say I can't damn because already again a year me said this is what they are planning. So I'm happy. I'm praying for it.
Okay.
So what I say, then you me me see that. It is so for no. E kai. Me ka we amobi a wo hwe me.
Ah, enu ti da ye no yeah.
Nyame e wo bibi ma o. I want to show you about some the counterfeit.
Ebeba. Nimpa.
Enti tamo ye no di nkom se kan se mi kunu mi be ware be ma ne kokoro wa oti say okuta
o chew ku be ma no
pepe
ti red card ba na say that is my husband
nipa ne kokoro wa na mo ne de ne grey
okay ono de red card
enti no I mistakenly thought say ni nyame kan ni
me ba choche mu yi red no one try red number o try grey no
me who grey na me say no because nipa ne kokoro wa
na they want red no
me te pa so no mesi mu nua
who say no we dey say me fa enti adam ne ka say red car na who grey na say grey na no ano no
we come ye ne agidifo nyina I'm a child of God. I know that. And sometimes you know you pray ho and nama ho hia bia your home. What I say? Obrano and quite the way I all share. So we pray ho. I just want to get married and get rid of everything. Na minya kwai me so person me worry. What I say? Ain't no me who say o any pa kokoro wa nyame nipa kan de oh e dey grey car enye red no e ono ase na na e ro.
Na so twen red no.
Na ka say me twen na mbisa say erade. Ne na wo kan anu ni ana ba de ama me hu se nyame ni wo ho a de waka fa ho se bebem no matter what wo de wo ti kura no a onu nyame be siesie wo no de wasi sa kwan na wo kan so.
Oh you are a prophetess.
I am.
You are a prophetess.
Yes.
Because
America hono kra no ye wo prayer line me boa ya adwuma wo so.
Okay but your ensan sinti simbium enti wo bae no na fe ko Accra, London, Accra.
Yes.
Ne dey na akofa.
Me fa fridge, gas cookers, microwave, whatever, electricals, iron, blenders. So on
home use.
They home use.
Okay. Send you now door to door.
Door to door.
When I start
me find a 40-footer container.
And then I start you.
Yeah, it do baby now the 4 containers back at the spot.
Really?
Yes.
And then what
Zongo Junction will be any me.
Into ba no two among.
Yeah. But I quite be Zongo Junction. Your friend Osamo Sama. Men and man use Sama.
Na school year.
Me bachelor.
And because we be our business here then our Sabbath school.
So Ghana economy and I make us say nyame asema me den nante. Say nye adidie wo me fia enka me na mo a me ha nyina ye tattoo ana me ha nyina ye tattoo ana me ha nyina ye tattoo ni nyina so e nyame asem because me yes it me no or say in all things we should acknowledge God.
Sure.
And he will direct our path.
Sure.
So what when you know wo hwe erade a bibie mu no all fail you be direct.
It's true.
Straight.
It's true.
What I say?
It's true.
It's Tama me starting business na me na I be reach a point. Don't say the economy na scan ko na ba enti na me sika meanwhile no na ma American visa dollar cause me take kwai so I was a frequent flyer and you been a visa man America. I did it myself.
One now
yeah it's America manji visa ma no any connection nothing. I did it myself
to America.
Yeah,
that was
reach a point I feel me share the way economy na business no nye ukofa ne maba obewie na isika no asay ni ade na mse no man hwe so am pef plan fofo a ebe ha adwen nti o mu na ma me be free ti me ma me free mu no afi na Ghana no na mse any already no maji America visa be 1 year na me nkoe na okoe okay. Into the whole and the journey of everything.
So, call America. What was the plan? What were you going to do?
Me call some me call America and not my first building. We know my series. Yeah. Me see do Lanto. Me the London business na
London, Accra, London. Now this year. Okay.
It's me do America no. Na me konye juma papa. Na nyame was so good. Minya bruni netina for 9 years.
Really?
Minchia dainka. Minya
America the nene rent easy.
Yeah.
No, what's all? Okay.
No. Offer me seneba.
Really? Wow.
For 9 years. Yeah. Tia numona na me de pe krata.
To America.
Within 2 years na minya me krata.
Yeah, American citizen.
Yes, I'm a citizen of America.
Hey. From way to American citizen. Yes. From Fose.
Yeah, from Fose. Okay. Yeah.
So how come? I want to know the school because why a business? Right. Why the school?
Why the school?
And the school is so huge. Yeah. Remember, TF5 school no, it's so huge.
Yeah.
But your school no send them by. Yeah, party in team. What the mama worry be by my hello,
my brother, Professor.
Then a school bem.
Okay. Already no. Now I was thinking of using this premises as a apartments. And you know, me starting from the first one.
Okay.
7-day apartments. And the apartment you know online you know. Me okay. Very unique.
Yeah.
Now nipa no buy no, it's called boy no. And I'm mystery. I'm say, hey, there be way they know. Now, cause I have a seamstress in Kanish. I always mention her name.
Okay.
B. Timi ko na B. Or pam kola uniform. And no this sticker B. Abone ho. As this say we mati school. I'm say what is school say? O say me amete Ghana hampo.
Mati school.
Me ate there.
Na wa.
Na wa ti abrochire. Cause ani nyem so me ba. Me dey see me fear enti dey aka yemogu. And na for some ye ba party ni abehie gu ni adi ni ekọ. Ni adi sika ni na ekọ. Sa up and down sa. So reach a point. Yay! Oh, me ready say me ye program.
Don't worry. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. I've been a crucible.
Pato, yako.
James, kofa ice chest blue no. Munyi inside ina gum na chebesia.
Hello.
Pato, akakrabi.
Pato, ya to assist school no.
Koketo mo bibi agwo.
Okay, ina fufo no e ba na manu ade ane ade.
Yeah. Near your party.
Okay, who lady no, same stress no.
Yeah.
And now no more idea.
Yes, into no kind keke and come up. And I like say nice here. Yeah, it's ample. Me must start to be school a year so and then a preschool. It's me the choir engineer. Na me no na makacho me din kakacho say we nyame ba. Now person we bribia obi say radiance. I have the knowledge and I know I can do it. So I was praying over it. To me kwa broche me da hwa na me say voice.
Okay.
Say you can do it.
Really?
Yes. You can do it.
Confirmation.
Na ade no eba ten like baby amefa bia no di machi. You can do it. You can do it. E ho na starting mommy name. Me wo na mommy din ne keke.
Che din no spiritual.
Yeah, kasa ne yem no na me frame me ba ne say Daniel Farrent bi on suspend Gyansah the base school. Ti ho na me frame brother professor na mbona mane or say it's a good idea. I'm saying, brother, this is what I want to do. Or say, yeah. And I'm a home pie. Ewana Edina Ba. Or say, name the school future ambassador Montessori.
Really?
Because they are future ambassadors too. Wow. Is it true? I'm a boy, me bro, and I'm Nenneton. I said, why future ambassadors?
Ah, that's still US.
Yeah, I'm US. And that, you can't say the approval by. So me dawa na I come in me tuka na me costo we remwa was a pick away fa we
na direct.
Yes, everything and I'm by. So I came down September 2019. That was time on the BA school no
2019.
Yeah, the first building.
So 5 years now.
Yes. Yeah, the first building in the BA. Ti BA ni enkola mai me na no me two.
Oh,
and
okay.
Teacher near no chade no so ne babako and no be so the internet say train free.
Free, okay.
5 that was 2019 September.
That was how you started.
That's how I started. Now I open bibi any ha. And you know, we started it. It was nice. I feel be about wow, this is a good beginning. I can be excuse say ni pass any nyame sa wo. Obi obebo si nyame sa wo nam say this is the confirmation. Yeah, for December, me to her 20th December 2019. Me do US na boom. I can't say COVID. Pandemic, you know.
Oh yeah, COVID.
Yeah, COVID no hit.
Yeah.
I'm so.
Oh, that was the following year.
Yes. Na see any na for ye nya asrem ye rade matamfo asrem ye. O make say school negu. School negu. But amuma bem rather no a shaming crying and mammy ahoɔden Gyansah fufuo so that problem when my friend my brother and I'm saying also another brother or engineer I'm say brother you per se see that way immediately we start that's how I go. It's like a magic.
You start here.
You start here. So the whole of the year 2020 now
COVID no yeah.
And the year first.
So, which means that God had a plan.
Yes.
It's COVID, no?
Yes.
Which was a misfortune.
Yes.
It turned out to be a blessing.
Exactly. As for me, it was a blessing to me.
For God to establish what He wanted to do.
Even I got attacked. I already became
really?
But I couldn't.
God saved you.
God saved me.
Really?
And then when I came back, that was 2021. Already maybe ban my so that we say kola be brave ba school na teacher ni a omo wa no ba ko jai your friend on fa and it exactly happened.
What dear?
Whatever happens na and me wo ha me say voice. Voice, yeah. It's you know a cancer me who and my from my bomb mama and said this is what I've heard. This is what I've seen. I'm pastor now manifesting say true. So I keep on praying.
Okay.
I'm a watchman. So I pray. Na yamiadon 2021. By the first week boom, all 50.
Really?
Yeah.
From 5? Or from how many kids?
Yeah.
5 to 50?
Yeah. That was 2021.
This is the doing of the Lord.
Yes.
Wow.
What shall I render? Indeed, what shall I render?
Straight.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
2021, you had 50 students.
Yes. And since then,
It's growing.
it's growing. It's growing bit by bit.
It's not bit by bit. You want by me who was school bus and all that.
Yes. Yes.
So,
And
what
now
are
the kids,
some of
their academics is excellent.
Okay. Into from Montessori to which level?
Now we are entering, next term we are entering to JHS 1.
Oh, you don't say.
Yeah.
You start from Montessori, so called JHS 1.
Yes. Yes.
How many years? So, you can say started officially 2021.
Yeah. Up to date.
So 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Uko JHS.
Yes.
This is the Lord's doing.
Yes.
So, Yanka, what are some of the challenges of the school?
Honestly, for past 2 years, what I realized is say every term no nankofu you omuma. I don't know because me around.
Okay.
I don't know what the problem was, but they keep on removing their kids. But they are nyame ye me de wumuni. Senkola 12 lebeba, maybe a 10
film. Okay, it's not story biaka.
True. So now I was questioning God, what is happening? So I took it upon myself, said this time around I'll stay.
Oh, so now you're in Ghana?
I've been here for 6 months.
Oh, okay.
And thank God, this term back home free.
Really?
Yes.
Which means that God wants you to stay.
It may be.
And I'm
to stay. I've not done what I have to do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So future projection, 5 years from now.
5 years from now, I wish I can have another branch somewhere.
Of the school.
Yes. Which is crawling.
It's not crawling, it's running.
No, it's
no, I'm also prophesying to it's running.
So it's running. Yeah. Yeah, it's true.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your name, Madam Juliet. I hire packed Uhunda for to celebrate with her. If you ask me, so Bob Brapa, Unyani Papa, a benwo. Bob Braboni, dear, will be a crew who know Johnny.
Exactly.
She baby a mammy if you buy any baby at all. Me Bemu school, me Banafos school, Portugal. It's a huge building. Now, the who buy some work for the school, you'll be surprised and amazed. Mommy, Netia, yeah, when you say there are young girls today who feel, say, 7 years, mom woman 19. I don't know, making the IE. It's been hard work. What do you have to tell those girls?
Oh my gosh. What do I have to tell them? I have a lot to tell them. And I feel so sad and I feel so sorry for them, first of all. Like this week, I'm social media, and I realized me who bibi. So about young girl, Nigerian.
Yeah.
Now because of Sika,
yeah.
And I asked myself, say, Bible me I said, when we gain the whole world and you loses your soul, what benefits shall it profit a man if you do this? The kind Bible crack also for context and change.
Let's see
Gyansah. So what you say? Nyamia ofia say with one, or say be content with what you have. So when you saw the Nyamedia Maubia as a young woman, ebia na wo hwe me wa ha. Wako school. That's our parents in Nibi said they na me parents. Enye bi no a. Man ferry me so Fose. Me ton ade. Me ye adwuma pa. Mamma brabone. Mamfa brabone antoa so. Mama mani amre wiga kese. Na me bomiti. Okay? Me shan me twa miti.
Wow.
Be who you are.
Be real.
Don't belong. Because belongs no baby I frustration. Oh man kasa cry no. Outside gentility home cry. A lot.
Yeah.
It's no me advice I'm very my youth and say be who you are and believe in God and hard working and perseverance.
Okay.
What you say? Uma when you prayer now we hear Jumaden now we see pisita. God will see you through.
Wow.
And you too, you have
something.
Auntie, ever can say?
Yeah, Auntie, Sunny,
I ubenya testimony.
Yeah.
Na also the achra for.
Maybe I no be sure. A person in the Baba school no.
Yeah.
My location phone number to dra. And our pass school no number. Obi person by inquiries.
All right. Yes, school no. Gyansah the Future Ambassadors Montessori School. I wore New Botiano America flag. Na ye hano enye ira kwan kra. Ye telephone number 0543 710 855.
Pacho Bobiem
0543 710 855.
Thank you.
Ebika hon.
Okay. But Ebika hon. Yeah, by Jenny they are to screen last year.
And your future ambassador at gmail.com.
Into more yeah,
website.
More yeah admission all the time.
All the time.
Okay.
Admission is in progress. Okay. All the time.
Okay. Okay.
Before wa broche, okay, encrofor the omamba. Nano and nanansen ya yenyankola 4 from America.
Really?
Oh yes.
Omo the omamba.
Omo the omamba. Yenya 3 from Germany.
Really?
Omo the omamba.
That's international.
Of course.
Okay.
We are trying to introduce Cambridge in the school.
Really?
Yes, very soon.
Hey, mommy, any abre?
Any
abre,
because I'm here for my community.
Yeah.
Enti adumbi enya me dia chairman no. Me to me fancy. I have to give it out. So, yeah.
Ma Juliet here that's nyame hraw.
So me that's.
I hire exposed you to a wo hwe me. Sometimes no make us nyame nsa wo mu a. Ya bonza baby ya ekwa. Because hwe baby ofi ya kenye ha na ese obedu. Ba nyame nsa wo mu nti wadu ha. Wo a wo hwe me, it doesn't matter where you are. Ebi wa baby a oda na nye, baby a wadu no wapaba. But let me tell you one thing. Say Juliet nyame ene e de na si baby a. Ochina ono so de obesi baby. I expose you. Your friend baby so see am now from here. Mejo so that's na e be say bye bye.